In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Spotify account. So it's nice and straightforward. You just need to head over to the Spotify app on your phone. Click on your profile icon in the top left-hand side. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Account. And right at the bottom, you'll see this option to close your account yourself and delete your data permanently. Click here. This will redirect you to this window like you see here. So just make sure you have the correct account selected, then continue to close your account. As you can see, this will delete all of your saved data such as your followers, your username, and all of your saved music. Click on I understand and select continue to close your account. Then as you can see, it will say check your email to close this account. So that's going to send you a confirmation link to your email. So now head over to the email that you've received on your phone and click on this Close My Account button. Now you'll need to go and open this in an internet browser, so I'm going to select Safari. And as you can see, that's now all done and we've successfully closed down our account. Once your account has closed, you'll have 7 days to reinstall it if you change your mind. Otherwise, after those 7 days, it will be permanently deleted. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.